On YouTube Nation, this is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So happy 2-year anniversary to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, which I refer to as the Death Star. By the way, M1 Finance, thank you for the comment on Twitter and the props. You guys gave me a shout out for my 2-year anniversary on the Death Star. So I'm going to reveal to you some major changes. I sold WestRock, sold it for another stock, and now I'm focusing on my dividend investing strategy to enhance it. Again, I have a goal to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends. It's been a crazy journey. Honestly, 2 years ago to this day, I was literally on the 21st, actually. I was sitting in my parents' car on the way to Myrtle Beach, and I created my dividend portfolio. It has been amazing. Just seeing the compound interest, seeing the monthly dividends kick in, the dividend income kick in. Again, I had a goal to make $100,000 for my, well, let's just say get to $100,000 my dividend portfolio. Now I'm realizing I can do a lot more than 100,000. I can generate a lot more dividend income. So a lot of you guys gave me some props with my dividend portfolio. But I'd like to give a shout out to some of you guys out there, GW, for your dividend investing strategy with a lot of the ETFs, as well as Hidden Freedom Investing and Map Money. You guys have been very helpful with my dividend investing journey, and it enhanced my philosophy on becoming a dividend investor, and to listen to people who have been there and done that. That is very important. I wanted to give you guys a shout out as well on this channel. So you guys have been very helpful, and also Matthew Ramey, who created a dividend investing strategy, which now I know where to distribute dividends in a certain month because of his model. So you guys together, and of course Gen X dividend investor, who has grilled me and molded me kind of to being a dividend investor and understanding the art form of dividend investing. You guys have all been fantastic. So I wanted to give you guys a shout out to this 2-year dividend portfolio journey. And you guys have been very helpful. I love your insights. Love the chats that we have, sometimes and, on Discord or either on Twitter. I think that's very helpful when you're around people who have been there, done that. There's always a phrase, if you're smartest person in the room, that's a problem. And these guys are way above me becoming as a dividend investor, and that plays a big part. But let's check out this dividend portfolio and this dividend journey and see how things are going right now and the changes that I made. Let's check this out right now. I made some major changes to my dividend portfolio. I sold WestRock, and then I bought a stock. And then I changed my philosophy because I really need to focus on my monthly dividend strategy, because I have a goal to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends. And really, a lot of you guys who I collaborate with or interact with or chat with, you really go after these monthly dividend ETFs. And I did add these, which I want to show you real quick. I made some changes. I had Las Vegas Sands. I was liking the way things were looking, but I did buy a little bit of a dip and took advantage of that. I added more to British Tobacco. I added more to RYLD. And I added some ETFs, Divo, Nusi, and Jepi. So these are really good ETFs. I will do a stock and dividend analysis review on them. But I really love these monthly dividend ETFs. I'm going to show you how these ETFs are going to help me with my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So right now with my dividend portfolio, I have this thing, I call it the real estate sector / BDC, but really these are two stocks that I sold. Seagate, I sold AT&T, and really bought Iron Mountain and I sold Seagate for my communication stocks and AT&T, which I'll go over in a second. But I had IIPR. It was way off the chain. I was up 400%. I could not keep up with it. So I sold it, threw it into Iron Mountain, and LTC Properties. And what I'm going to do probably with this section, I'm going to keep these two stocks because LTC is generating me a monthly income, and Iron Mountain has very good quarterly dividend income, very good real estate investment trust. What I'm going to do is probably have this as a financial sector with these two stocks in here. So I really need to start expanding my sectors a little bit, and this is going to be a financial sector with these two stocks. The communication sector that I sold Seagate and AT&T, Verizon, and remember, I did get a big paycheck from a sign-on bonus, so I just threw it in my dividend portfolio, and I have 28 shares of Verizon. I have BCE, TELUS, AT&T, and Lumen. BCE is another very good communication stock, 6.40% dividend yield. TELUS Corporation is a 5.39% dividend yield. AT&T, now they haven't suspended their dividend yet, but there is an expectation for a dividend cut. So they're trying to, really change. I did numerous videos on AT&T. Check that out on my channel. But their dividend is pretty strong right now, but eventually it may not be, but I'm still going to be long in these guys. They've been there, done that. Lumen Technologies is another one, 6.99% dividend yield. They really haven't increased their dividend over time, but this is what I'm really focusing on, are these monthly dividend stocks and ETF, RYLD, QYLD, XYLD, and this monthly dividend ETF strategy. So I have Abbvie Realty Corporation. I really do believe that they are a rival to Realty Income with monthly dividends. The board of directors with these guys decided to make the call that we are going to be a monthly dividend distribution of a rate. So they were quarterly dividends, and now they're monthly dividends. And I like their business model. It's very comparable to O. And the price per share is like sometimes beating O, but their dividends not as much as O, but there's a huge opportunity of growth. RI Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund, I'm going to get probably 19 cents usually per share. I don't expect that to increase or decrease. It is a income fund. They got Nusi, Divo, and Jepi. A lot of you guys, especially GW and Map Money and Hidden Freedom Investing, you guys have been really strong on these three. You guys definitely sold me on these ones. So I had to give you guys props for the for your reviews on it. And I hope you guys, if you follow the channel, I'm going to put it in the comment section. All these guys that have been very helpful for my dividend portfolio, I'm going to tag them. So make sure you check out their channels, especially the ETF guru GW, Hidden Freedom Investing. He's going to retire soon. And Map Money, you got to hear him sing sometimes on Twitter. So if you're ever on Discord, and make sure you follow my Twitter account. Map Money will sing for you. So maybe we'll have him sing a dividend song or a retirement song for Hidden Freedom Investing. So that'll be quite entertaining. So look at this. I mean, look at what I'm doing. So I have Divo and nusi. I'm buying more QYLD. Look at these monthly dividends that are racking up. So I sold Las Vegas Sands. I was sold on it, and I'm like, you know what? Let me just focus on my monthly dividend strategy. Didn't like the way things were going with WestRock, so I decreased the percentage on some of these stocks. Unilever will be back at 1. Eventually, I'll start buying more shares. It's just dividend yield isn't too high for me, but I'm going to be long in Unilever, so don't worry. British Tobacco, I need to buy more of these guys. Their dividend yield has increased. The price is very cheap. It's a very good SIN stock. Vegas Sands was a very good SIN stock at the time. The pandemic kind of did things, kind of bought a dip and then sold it. So things are looking good there. Enbridge, they're a very good dividend yield, 6.27%. I'll show you my holdings real quick. And this is what I really want to focus on. So again, once I get to 50 shares in all these, see these monthly dividend stocks that I have, which are Jepi, Divo, nusi, Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund, RYLD, ADC, QYLD, PBA, Pembina Pipeline, and LTC Properties. I really want these guys to start generating monthly dividends so I can start buying my quarterly dividends, and then these quarterly dividend stocks can start buying my monthly dividends. So right here, let's look at how many shares I own on all these, and this is in order. So I have 60 of Iron Mountain. That's a beautiful amount. So again, once I get to 50, watch out. LTC Properties, I need to increase that over time. Verizon, I'm at 28.121 shares. QYLD, I'm at 27. So I need my monthly dividend stocks to at least get to 100. And once I get to 100, that's when things are really going to rack up. BGS Foods, very happy I got that one. 25 shares. Very good dividend yield. Omega Health Investors, 25 shares. Pfizer, I'm at 24. And again, once I said 25, I'm right up there. RYLD at 22. First Energy, I have at a small percentage, but I'm going to increase that over time once I start getting more from my monthly dividends. So I'm going to leave it alone for right now and then start looking at other stocks and expanding sectors. But I get a pretty decent dividend from First Energy. Pembina, I'm at 19. Altria, I have 18. I need to get to 50, definitely. Spirit Realty Capital, definitely need to get up there. Enbridge at 16. British Tobacco, I need to start picking it up a notch with these guys. Very nice dividends. They're just so down. Coca-Cola, not bad, but I need to slow down a little bit with some of those stocks. And I mean, that's it's a good defense stock, but I need to be a little bit more aggressive. So I'm going to leave that one alone. UVV, very good dividend yield. Exxon, very good news about Exxon. XYLD, I'm at 12. I need to increase that. Brookfield Infrastructure Partners, 11 shares, not bad. Sold these. Vegas. So again, these rates, Plymouth Industrial Rate, Physicians Realty Trust, and Medical Properties. I'm very excited for those stocks. Where is it? MPW. Really excited for these ones to start growing. Medical Properties Trust has, I believe that they're stable. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but very good company, very good rate. They really invest heavily in the mental health facilities, and mental health is off the chain. I swear, being a nurse, every patient I have, at least 1 in 6, just about every patient, I'm taking care of, like 1 in 6. I mean, we're very understaffed right now on the step down floor, but they have psych issues. I mean, whether it's alcohol, whether it's, behavioral health issues, it's just kind of crazy. So there's been numerous people that, I mean, they're draining, but it's part of the healthcare field. That's what we sign up for. But mental health is off the chain, and it feels like every time I start my shift, people have, we're dealing with this, and unfortunately it's only going to get worse. And no, there's no HIPAA, violation. I'm just saying I've started to take care of a lot more psychiatric patients with a lot of issues, and it's mental health is just terrible. I mean, facilities, they're booked. It's just getting worse. It's very sad. So $21,451.95 earned dividends at $766.52. I'm hoping to get to at least 900 by the end of the year, have a goal of $900 in earned dividends. I'm hoping by next year to at least earn $600 in dividends a year. I think that's easily obtainable. I do need to start making a spreadsheet because these dividends are flowing, and it's very exciting. I mean, let's just look at the past few weeks. Office Properties Trust, $299. LTC Properties, $897. Westrock, which I just sold. Enbridge, that's $1079 minus $162. First Energy, $772. XYLD, $3.06. British Tobacco earned me $8.49. Omega Healthcare investors $13.97. So you're seeing some of these stocks, the compound interest is kicking in. QYLD is giving me $5.92 right now. Pfizer got me $9.27. Exxon got me $9.80. Agree Realty Corporation got me $1.89. Unilever got me right here $3.91. So you're seeing things kick in. Pembina got me $2.83 minus 42 cents. So you're seeing the things really kick in. And with what I'm buying, I got jepi, RYLD. Said that it should be modified, but maybe it's just a little behind. But you're really seeing what is going. Oh, that's the previous activity. Sorry. You're really seeing what's going on. So again, I'm getting rid of these guys. I got jepi. I'll do a review on these dividend ETFs and why I bought them. And I'll explain to you why. So I'll do my usual check, like my check through with everything. But I'm so pumped up with these monthly dividends to kick in. I mean, you guys have been very helpful. You guys have been awesome on this channel. I mean, when I started this channel, I mean, literally, it was all nursing. And then all of a sudden, I'm like, man, I fell in love with dividend investing. I got to have a channel. All of a sudden, the pendulum started to change. I started decreasing followers a lot. I started to get like down to like maybe 1,000, 2,000. And then all of a sudden, the dividend investors and the dividend investing community started building up a lot more. And this channel has been phenomenal. It's been fun. I mean, this is a very good stress reliever for me. I mean, I have a big exam tomorrow. Love doing these videos to just calm the nerves a little bit and get ready for an exam. I enjoy doing videos. I enjoy being live with you guys. I enjoy doing stock and dividend analysis videos. I enjoy showing you my journey. You guys have just been fantastic on this channel. So I want to thank a lot of you guys who have helped me on my enhance my dividend investing strategy, as well as my basically just opening my mind and listening to input. I always listen to input from people who have been there and done that. So these people that I tag in the comment section, make sure you check out their channel. Make sure you follow them on Twitter. Phenomenal people. I'm very lucky to be affiliated and collaborate and chat with these guys. They have been, I mean, their journey is incredible. I'm not even close to the level of these guys, and for them to even reach out to me or be in Discord chats, and really, again, this is not financial advice, but them showing or explaining to me their philosophy and what they want to do, I enhance my philosophy, and I'm just growing as a dividend investor, and it's very exciting. And people who I've watched before I created channels, I'm chatting with these guys. It's just a lot of fun. So it's been 2 years since I started the Death Star, literally in my parents' van on the way to vacation Myrtle Beach, and I created this, made changes, enhanced it. I'm at $21,000. So I'm very empowered. I'm very excited to get to $100,000 and beyond, to earn my goal of $1,000 to $3,000 a month, my monthly dividends, and $2,000 to $4,000 a month of my quarterly dividends. It's exciting. The future is bright. I control my own destiny with this. This is what's great. I'm putting the money in. I'm taking the sacrifices. I'm not going out as much. Obviously, I wouldn't do that anyways, being in graduate school. But this is really helping me with discipline. I've been working out a lot harder. I've been just, I'm just really, really in grind mode, and this is very helpful. Watching the compound interest kick in and being in the community, you guys. So, I'm really kicking it up another level. That was my goal. Was start of this summer in my career in investing to kick it up another notch. So I was here, but now it's time to really start gearing to that next level. So, I'm in graduate school. Things are going very well. I think I have a 3.5 to 3.7 right now. I just need to keep on going. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited for the dividend investing journey. I'm very excited for graduate school, and wish me luck in my exam. And again, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Start dividend. I'm going to do a video probably tomorrow, maybe an ETF review, maybe a stock and dividend analysis on some hot stocks that I'm looking for. But thank you again for this amazing journey, and it's just future's bright. So I'm very excited for my dividend investing journey and my passive income journey. So take care.